Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trendseeker. So today's video is going to feature a variety of prom hairstyles. So if you are heading to prom this season, this video is for you. So here we have a gorgeous ponytail. This one does feature bangs in the front as well as a stunning high ponytail in the back. This would be a great style if you have a backless gown, strapless gown, or an asymmetrical gown. Absolutely stunning way to rock your hair in the form of a high ponytail. And next up we have a voluminous half up, half down style. This is a great style that you can actually do yourself at home, and it is a great way to add some height and volume to your hair. Next up we have this stunning red updo. As you guys know, red is a huge hair color trend that we're seeing in 2023, and I think that this style looks absolutely gorgeous. Next up we have a salon-worthy updo style. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these prom hairstyle ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. There will be a part 2 follow-up to this video, so make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already. Absolutely stunning updo. Then we move on to another ponytail hairstyle. This is another option that you can do at home yourself. Followed by another glamorous updo salon-worthy style. Now, if you wanted to attempt to do something like this yourself at home, you can buy that hair donut on Amazon. They do have quite a few selections, and I love the pearl headband that the stylist added with this, as well as the earrings. So glamorous. Next up, we have a double pull-through braid. This is a great fun style if you want something cute and simple for prom nights. Followed by this double braided ponytail look. This is another great DIY hairstyle that you can, of course, do yourself at home. You can also add some beautiful gems or crystals, pearls to the hairline where the baby hairs are styled. This would be a great euphoria-inspired style. And then next up, if you do have curly hair, this would be a great updo hair option. You can also, of course, rock this style out if you have straight hair, simply by adding in some curls with a curling iron. So let us know in the comments below, which hairstyle would you rock on prom nights? Leave us your thoughts, and of course, if you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more hot hair trends and styles.